Just wait, guys. Wait. In Nepali, how do you say it? Wait.
Porka.
Parka. You know that song? Parka, parka, parka. Na. Ene rat kiri rat sona pat kiri ra parka na. Okay guys, welcome back all Nepali people, Buddhist people. Yeah, namaste, peace from Africa guys. So today we are exploring Tibetan or Buddhist food guys, because I'm in Nepal and it's gonna be my first time guys ever as an African to try Nepali. We have the big momos guys, Tibetan Momo guys, Tibetan Momo, and this is called big Momo because mostly you will find smaller size than this all around guys, but for Tibetan people, I don't know, they choose to make it that big. I don't know why, but this is a momo. Inside it is a buff. They call it buff momo, which is buffalo momo. So buffalo meat inside it, and you know, momo is made from what? Can you guess? That is maida only, right? Yeah, maida. So can't wait to taste the Tibetan momo. You can go and check out other of my newari Nepali local food that I tried. Go and check in my channel. It's my first time in Nepal and I'm just exploring and so happy, enjoying the food guys. So let's dive into it. The first bite ever. Yes, let's go. I don't know if it will go at once, but I don't know. How do you eat it guys? Because this is so big to go at once. You can tell me. So here we have momo chutney. This is two type of chutney. They said the red one, the more red one is spicy chutney. Let's have it. Welcome with me. Oh no, they don't eat it like that. This is too big for you, bro. Okay. Have you seen inside? This is like the buffalo, as I said, some onion. It's kind of cooked separate. Yeah, it's well cooked. Let me give it a taste. Wait. Still, I can't give the review just boom like that until I finish it. Just wait guys. Wait. In Nepali, how do you say it? Wait.
Porka.
Parka. You know that song? Parka, parka, parka na. Ene rat kiri rat sona pat kiri ra parka na. I can't give the review until I finish this whole momo at once. So in Nepali they said parka. So relax. Sabur karo. Oh my god, this looks so juicy guys. Okay guys, wow. This is not delicious only, but this is so impressive. I think someone can propose to me with big momo guys, because I love big thing. Wow. It's so tasty guys, so tasty. So juicy. What I love about it, like it's not that spicy, and that's why they kept the spicy chutney separate. So, and the buffalo meat is well cooked guys, it's well cooked. And it is just so soft to chew, like chewing the ice cream, man. And wow, it's so nice, so delicious, guys. And I thought it at once, if I bite it, I was thinking it will scatter, but oh my god, it is so thick and so solid. It's amazing, not solid, soft and amazing, tasty, delicious. Out of 10, I give it 9.5, guys. This is so tasty. and I can't wait to finish it all, guys. Actually, I have a lot of food trying outside here. We are hunting Tibetan food. Just make sure if you watch this Momo food, go and check the other one. We have a lot like